Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the cable stitch. So let's get started. I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 6.5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot, chain 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Chain 11. Half double crochet in the third stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3. To make a half double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn and pull it all through 3 loops. So I'm going to half double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. All the way across the row. You'll have 10 stitches across the row. That turning chain counts as 1 half double crochet. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Chain 2 and turn. That will count as the first half double crochet. Half double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You know you have one more stitch to do in that turning chain. So finish in that turning chain. Now you have 10 stitches across the row. For row 3, chain 2 and turn. That will take the place of the first half double crochet. Half double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Now we're going to make a front post triple crochet. Yarn around the hook 2 times. You're going to work in the 4 stitches, but we're going to work 2 rows down. So follow this stitch down and make a front post triple crochet. To make a front post triple crochet, go behind the stitch from the front and then complete the triple crochet. And you're going to do that 4 times. So 1 more treble crochet here. Another treble crochet here. And 1 more. Okay, so you have worked 4 treble crochets 2 rows down. Now you can count from the back and find the 4 skip stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to half double crochet in the remaining 3 stitches. 1, 2, and the last stitch will be worked in that turning chain. So we have 3 half doubles, 4 front post triples, and 3 half doubles. Chain 2 and turn. That chain 2 takes the place of this first stitch, half double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. Work the last half double crochet in that turning chain. Chain 2 and turn. Half double crochet in the next 2 stitches. That takes the place of this first stitch. So half double and half double. Now you can see the 4 treble crochets here. Skip the next 2 stitches. Front post treble crochet. In this front post treble crochet 2 rows down. front post treble in the next. So we have a front treble and a front treble, and there are the 2 skipped stitches. So we're going to go back and front treble in the very first one. And front post treble in the next. So again, you can turn it around and count 1, 2, 3, 4. So you know your next stitch is here. Half double crochet in the last 3 stitches. 1, 2, and the third one will be in that turning chain. Chain 2 and turn. Takes the place of that first stitch. Half double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. And the last stitch is in that turning chain. That's the back of the work. Chain 2 and turn. This takes the place of the first half double crochet. Half double crochet in the next 2 stitches. 1, 2. Come all the way down to the treble, 2 rows down, and complete the front post treble crochet. And do that 4 times. There's the next one. In this row, we're not skipping. We're doing them in sequence. And the last one. Count 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Half double crochet in the remaining 3 stitches. 1, 2, and the last one in that turning chain. And there's what that looks like so far. So you have your 4 trebles, and you skip 2 and work backwards, and then you go back to the 4 trebles in sequence, and you just keep repeating row 4 to 7 until your work is the desired length. And there you go. That's how easy it is to crochet the cable stitch.